Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I will show you a pretty amazing application in the must try AI tools in Canva. So in the part 9, that will be the image blender, where we can blending two images together like a pro with a Photoshop with just few easy steps. So I already opened my other project. So as you can see, the only thing what we have to do, uploading the two pictures to the Canva, then go into the apps and searching for the image blender. And as we can choose which picture would like to blend selected image. And now here the funny part starts. As we can see, as we can choose between linear and radial options. Now first we start with the linear. I just moving, so we can move this line where we would like to do the blending. Now I try to do it straight, a bit further, like this. And here we can change the strength. Like to around 30. I set 30. Okay. My numpad was turned off, and I just have to click on save. And now the system made this dodgy things with me. This happened several times. I just realized when I move this line too far, the system doesn't allow me to do this blending. So I just try to do it here. Maybe I could a little bit increasing the size of this picture and moving it further and moving this to even further like this. And now try to do it again. So here, and just changing a bit to done, save, and it's already working. And this blended image already uploaded to the uploads. And here you can see the system, this application really made this blending for us. If I adding a new page and going up, adding the same pictures again, just now I would like to try with something different, like increasing the size of the full page. So going back to the apps, image blender, and now I'm choosing the radial. Here we can move where we would like to do the radial, the size of the radial, and save it. Actually the technique is same as the system did with the linear, but now as you can see that's really radial, and it's a pretty amazing blended picture. I just love it. That's so amazing, and this application is really mind-blowing, and I can't believe it. This is just a third-party application in the Canva. Was done by some third-party developers. Looks amazing. Works more or less perfectly. Sometimes when we, especially in the linear, when we try to move it too much, too close to the borders, not working always perfectly. But as you can see, the application is worked nicely. So if you also like it, please leave me a comment and tell me about your feelings and your thoughts about this application. And also, if you really likes my tutorial, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel. Also leave some comments in the comment section if you're struggling in anything in Canva or any AI tools. And please also visit my Facebook page, where you can find lots of other Canva tutorials, also AI tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus you can find lots of text to image generation prompts for different kind of applications. If you're also interested on this area, feel free to check my Facebook page. The link is in the description. So now this tutorial is really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.